Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful, classy, and trendy video collection of hand embroidery designs. Guys, today's video is on the basis of your maximum likes that different type of stylized hand embroidery borders have been shown that are specifically based onto one embroidery stitch, that is Kutch work, Gujarati jammer, or Sindhi embroidery style. These are the different type of names attributed to this very beautiful pattern of embroidery. All of these beautiful and pretty borders of embroidery could be made onto your sleeves borders, onto your trousers, onto your hemline as a very beautiful neckline embroidery pattern, and different type of front kurti, kameez borders, the four corners of your sari pallu, dupatta, scarf, stroller, or shawl, and different stylized patterns as per your own choices. I have been sharing these very beautiful and creative trendy designs of Kutch work on your massive request because most of our YouTube friends and family members are lovers of this very beautiful handwork, which is very traditional and at the same time, and it looks very elegant, beautiful, and trendy also. So I would request you and suggest you to do try these patterns and share your experiences with us. That which design you like the most and why. And guys, keep supporting us, keep loving us, keep watching our videos because your love and support is very important. And subscribers are very, very, very important. If you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from many other devices also. And guys, one more thing, we never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose of my making videos and sharing designs with you is to share amazing, beautiful, and trendy ideas and design patterns with you, not to reclaim someone else's work as our own. I hope you are getting my point. And on daily basis, we try our level best to share beautiful, creative, amazing, trendy ideas of hand embroidery with you. And my channel is a ideal platform for hand embroidery beginners, hand embroidery artists, hand embroidery lovers. So this was all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the new upcoming videos.